High-protein Dal Palak Uttapam is the perfect healthy choice for kids' tiffin, combining taste with nutrition in every bite. Imagine opening a lunchbox to find a soft, fluffy uttapam enriched with protein-packed dal and iron-rich spinach. This dish is not just delicious, but also a smart way to fuel growing bodies. Kids need balanced meals to stay active, focused, and strong. And this recipe delivers exactly that. Protein for muscle growth, iron for healthy blood, fiber for digestion, and steady energy from complex carbs. To make it, mix dosa batter with cooked dal, chopped spinach, onion, cumin, and salt. Then spread on a greased pan, drizzle oil, and cook until golden brown on both sides. Serve hot with chutney or ketchup, and you've got a tiffin that's both fun and nourishing. Each uttapam provides around 6-7 grams of protein, 3-4 grams of fiber, and essential vitamins, making it a balanced mini-meal for kids. Healthy food doesn't have to be boring, dull. Dal Palak Uttapam proves that nutrition can be tasty, exciting, and kid-friendly. For more creative and healthy recipes, don't forget to subscribe to Ache Studio and join our journey of health, taste, and fun.